So went ahead and picked up the new iPhone. This is the 11 Pro Max, 256 gigs, and initially I was going to give this a pass, but long story short, went on a trip, destroyed both of my phones. Whether it's the water or the power, that's up for debate, but I was phoneless for a while, decided to give this iPhone a shot. So quick video, I just wanted to unbox it, take a look at it, and maybe if you guys want me to continue, I'll do a full review, but just wanted to see what's in the box, see how it looks and feels, and let's go ahead and jump into it. Let's go ahead and get this out of the plastic here. Wow. So this actually it actually feels better than I was expecting. It isn't a glossy finish, it's a semi-gloss, almost matte looking. And it's still in plastic, but you can see it looks really premium. Flat finish right here. Do have the shiny finish by the cameras, and looks pretty good. Do have the flash here. Look like we have a sensor, 3 cameras, of course. Let's go ahead and see what else is in the box. So with the Pro 11 Max, you do get the fast charger, which it's a nice addition. I mean, it's not a game changer because we've seen this from other phones in the past. So this is Apple essentially just playing catch up. But nevertheless, it's nice to have a fast charger with this device. We also do have the standard earbuds. These are wired. But one thing with me, guys, is like, I don't know if I have weird air canal or whatever you want to call it, but these are the only earbuds that actually fits in my ears comfortably and don't come out, whether it's these or the actual earpods itself. So nice addition. Would like to see them include the earpods for this price, but I don't think that's gonna happen. And last but not least, looks like we have a Lightning to USB-C, and not sure what's going on with Apple. They need to just make it a straight USB-C. It doesn't make sense to have C on the charger here, C on this side, Lightning right here on the device. Would make more sense if they just went ahead and just made it USB-C all the way through. So not sure what they're waiting for, but I think eventually they will make that switch. Here's the device itself. Let's go ahead and peel the plastic off. There goes that sound, that wonderful sound. Oh, and this feels really, really good. Alright, so like I said, this is a clone off the previous 11 Max, minus the cameras in the back and some minor upgrades. And like I said before, if I wasn't in dire need of a new phone, I probably wouldn't take a second look at this. But since I was in the market, I went ahead and upgraded to the 11. But as far as the build quality, everything looks good, guys. We still have the Lightning on the bottom. Speakers right here. We do have our SIM tray, power button, or lock button, whatever they're calling it. We have our mute, volume up, down. But one thing I love about this is the actual color. Now the green itself, hard to explain what it is. It's almost like a soft gray with a hint of green. I love the fact that it's subtle, it's not overbearing, it's not too bright. Because if it was too bright, I probably wouldn't pick it up. But it's nice and subtle, looks good, feels premium, and like I said, this is probably the only color that interested me in this actual device. So I'm gonna get it set up. You guys drop your comments in the comment section below. Let me know if you guys want me to go ahead and do a full review off the iPhone, because I know there are thousands of videos out there and I can't wait to start using this thing. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.